All seals intact on the cornmeal shipment. Noted.
Proceed with unloading to the conveyor.
The moisture levels are stabilizing right at 15% now.
Perfect. We are ready for extrusion. Initiate discharge sequence.
The AI caught these irregular shapes on the last run. Good. The calibration is working perfectly. The AGV has the pallet secured. Perfect balance. We are clear for transport.
¿Está bien sujeto? Sí, está listo para el transporte.
The system just registered the new shipment, all green.
Perfect. Let's send it to storage.
We need to consolidate these immediately. Route 5 is leaving in 20 minutes. Ensure the labels match the manifest.
Once the pouches are packed, our team ensures they are quickly transported to the sales floor, ready for customers.
Don't forget to grab your favorite snacks in aisle 3. Hey, is this the new flavor?
The unique twisted shape and crispy texture of kurkure are highlighted by our special blend of savory seasoning.
This airy internal structure is the result of careful extrusion, giving kurkure its signature crunch. After physical inspection, finished kurkure pouches enter the vacuum leak testing chamber to ensure airtight sealing and packaging integrity. Torque is set on the housing bolts.
All right, maintenance confirmed. We are good to go.
Throughput is holding steady at 98%. Good, the new line is clearly optimized.
Using the latest technology, We craft the finest corn puffs, fresh from our factory to your table. Check the fryer temperature readout.
Stable at 185. Moisture levels are optimized. Revisa la velocidad de la línea 2.
Todo está bien.
Seasoning coverage is uniform according to the sensor data. The VFS machines are exceeding target efficiency by 5%.
Scan the manifest for the Dallas shipment. All green here. We are good to go. Day and night, the production continues. A testament to taste and the dedication of our team. This is the future of snacking.
Scan complete, all matching the manifest. Good. Let's lock it down. From these silos to your table, the journey of Kurkure corn puffs begins at this state-of-the-art facility.